Hello guys. Okay, today I'm gonna explain to you a few tips about how to do in AB Combat and Blast because they're the same pretty much. About how to save a lot of time that you cannot see is not that obvious, especially the way that waves work because the algorithm in each wave it's different. What I mean by algorithm is like you need to follow a set of steps before unlocking the next one. That's the way it's programmed, the entire AB thing. For instance, I will explain in the chat, I'm going to try to explain it here, it's a bit complicated. The algorithm is that you can divide waves or just take advantage of one at a time. What do I mean by that? Is imagine that you are in college, you need to get a few subjects before unlocking the next one. That's the same way that AB works. How is that? Because every time that mobs spam, if you kill them all in one shot, you unlock instantly the nade full wave, which is what you want. Unlike when you left 3, 4, or 5 alive, you only unlocked half of the wave, which is means the entire run of that wave until the next piece is multiplied by 2. So you have the same amount of mobs, but you will be having them in different kind of spams. Like they will be spamming only 5 at a time on less than 20 at a time, which is what you want. So you need to kill the first wave at one shot. That's the way that you get 4 or 5 minutes with the last piece. Why? Because each wave you only have to shoot DL 6 stars kill 3 times. That's what you want, that's what is required to finish it. Why? Because it's 1 plus 1 equals 3. That's the algorithm, or the way that coders call it. Minus 1 plus 1 equals 0. So you need to unlock the way that waves work. Each wave works differently. For instance, there are waves in which the beast is accompanied by mobs as soon as they spam. Like you have way more mobs. An example of that is 220k wave and 80k wave. Sorry, 60k wave. Let me show you while I explain it. Another tip is don't switch to camping until like 80Ks if you're doing everything perfectly, because at the end you're gonna lose way more time waiting for DL to be ready again than saving by killing the beast 2 seconds faster. That was way faster than waiting for DL to be spamming again while Kingpin kills it 3 seconds faster. And here I used laser. Why? Because it almost killed them all at once. There is no point in running. Here you just start doing what you need to do with DL. Just wait for all the mobs to spam. Why? Because you can kill that beast at one shot, and second, that you will have way more points than killing it with Kingpin. This is the important wave that I'm gonna show you the way it works, because this one is really important. What you're gonna do is try to kill them all in one shot. To do that, Don't rush your shot. Just got okay, keeping, just separe them all. Just gather them in one little circle. See, if I would have let alive one mob, there only would have been five more mobs instead of all this. Okay, I missed shot. See, just 2 times 6-star skills and the beast is already on. That is important. I saved about 20 seconds, so that's 20 seconds per wave, which is a lot combining that is almost 9 waves the entire run. I'm gonna try to take these beats with one shot. Okay, he's gonna jump, that's good. Yep, one shot. I shouldn't be changing to Kingpin, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna try to heal in the middle of wave. Because again, this is not a serious run, this is only to show you the way it works. There are two types of waves. Waves in which you need to clear all the mobs to get the beast, and waves like the one that we just passed, in which you can get the beast with mobs. So this one, it is not that important to clear all the mobs in one shot, especially because you, even though if it's only one alive, you need to take them down all before the beast. I need to clarify that you shouldn't be doing this to change into the to Kingpin and then to Groot only to heal DL. But again, this is only to show you the waves works. See, only one mob alive. That's what I was talking about when I told you there are two kinds of waves. In here you can see the entire two in just this exact two beast. And here as always gather the mobs with roots and then take them down using DL. I missed the beast, which is bad because that beast must be gone. I'm gonna try to make it to 220k only to show the second key wave. This is a wave just like the one before, in which you need to kill all mobs before beast. Those waves are annoying because it's really hard to save time. I mean, you can. I didn't do it because there are two mobs left, but it can be done. See only 4 mobs live. There are not so many mobs, that's not enough to kill it with one shot. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, here. Why doesn't lose the HP? As you can see, 5-star skill. Since it's a little iframe, I use it to avoid everything like this. Just cut it out right away, and you'll always can avoid any attack that the beast throws at you. I think this is a bug from AB because with any account that I play, these exact mobs cannot die in one hit. Like every time is this problem. As you can see, I don't run in a straight line. Why? Because I need to gather them to get as much damage as possible. Or to left. If I would have killed those two with that hit, the beast would have spammed with those mobs. Pro DL is not gonna make it. No, he didn't make it. Okay guys, I'm gonna just cut out this run, but I hope you'd get the concept of the way waves work, because that is important. You can cut the time of each beast in half just by doing the right thing with the mobs. I hope this helped you guys a lot.